this video, I'm going to show you how to make these super easy and beautiful beaded icicle ornaments. They only take seconds to make and they're lots of fun for all ages. For this project, you're going to need some pipe cleaners. Now I'm using the glittery ones. You can use the non-glittery ones, whatever you have or whatever you can find. Now these are the longer ones. These are 12 inches long. You can also buy some that are kind of like half this size. Just know that if you use the larger one, you'll have a larger icicle. If you have used the shorter kind, you'll just have shorter icicles, okay? So totally up to you, whatever you have. Now I have a silver, gold, red. They kind of came as like a multi-pack. And then some beads. We're going to be using some pony beads. Now I like these because they're very easy. They have a large opening and they're very easy to slip on. If you have other beads you want to use, just make sure that the opening of the bead can fit onto your pipe cleaner. I also grabbed some extra tools here to assist us. Now you can wrap, if you don't have something to use, you could wrap the pipe cleaner around your finger and do it that way. But I grabbed a highlighter and a knitting needle, just something that we can wrap the icicle around. Okay, I thought that these would be very helpful. You could also use a large pen or a dowel rod or even like a broomstick handle if you want to use that as well. So let's jump right in and learn how to make these icicle ornaments. So what we're going to do to start is we're going to put some beads. Just grab any color you want. Let's do the silver so you can really see the beads on here. You're going to grab any one of your pipe cleaners and you're going to add some beads to it. There is no specific number that you need. Just grab a bunch of them. You can really fill it up so that there's no space between, but I have these glittery ones, so I really wanted to kind of show off the glitter. Okay, so I have 2, 4, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Let's just say 10 to get the one that we'll be doing. Okay, then what you'll do is you're going to kind of spread out the beads a little bit. Doesn't have to be perfect. They can be any which way you want. This is just a really fun and easy little project. Okay, then what you'll do is you want to give yourself a little bit of room at the top because we are going to be bending it into a hook shape. So you want to spread your beads out, grab the item that you'll be wrapping your pipe cleaner around, and we're just going to start wrapping this. Grab the bottom end, especially if you have beads, it'll kind of hold the beads on there. And you can reposition the beads later if they don't, if they're moving around or you don't like the way they're lining up, okay? And we're just gonna wrap this all the way around what we're doing. And you wanna make it nice and snug all the way around. You can use your pen, highlighter, knitting needle like I mentioned before. And then you're just gonna slide this off. And then what you wanna do too is just kind of bend this bottom so you can keep your beads from sliding off. And then you can kind of move your beads however you want. And then we're going to bend this part up and just make a little hook. That's all. And then you can kind of pull this down to kind of open it up and make it more of an icicle shape. And again, if you use the smaller, shorter pipe cleaners, you'll just have a little bit of a shorter icicle, okay? And we're gonna just bend this into a hook shape and you can just hook that right on. And that is it. Okay, I went ahead and made the rest of them with the other colors that I had and they look so cute and festive. You can see more photos over at the blog where I have them hanging up and how they look on there, as well as the full tutorial in its written form and supplies list as well. So that is how you make these super cute beaded icicle ornaments. Thanks so much for watching and be sure and click the subscribe button to get all the latest Sparkle and Splatter video updates. Thanks again.